just swimming over the edge of the wall at Apo Island, going from 5 meters and just looking straight down and seeing a vertical wall straight down to 60 and just having that feeling of just weightlessness, not a care in the world, just floating free.
I believe the dive master training we offer is very different from recreational dive shops. It's different in the scope, different in the length, it's different perhaps in our expectations of the skills that people achieve here. And I think that is why some candidates choose us. I also think that's why some candidates choose to go to a recreational dive shop rather than here. That we're trying to train people to be the sort of professional colleague they would really want to work with anywhere, not just in a conservation organization like ours, but also in a recreational dive shop.
You get a chance to work with instructors that's really passionate about their work.
I definitely feel prepared for the Dive Master world. I've done, as well as Dive Master, I've done courses like Self-Reliant, which is an extremely good course. It teaches you how to deal with pretty much any problem that can arise. And I feel that the training we receive here is probably above and beyond.
You really want to train how you would like to work, and if the end objective is to work in a busy recreational dive center with 50, 100 people coming through every day, the best place to train is probably such a place. But if you want to work as a diving officer in the field of conservation, if you want to be an expedition leader, if you want to get involved in scientific diving, if you want to do more challenging dive master duties such as leading technical divers, then I think what we offer is very appealing.
You really learn to be good role models in every aspect of life, and that's amazing. I feel like when you do your DMT here, you basically become better person in some way.
You get excellent one-on-one time with your instructor. The course can be structured to your strengths and weaknesses, and also the journey that you undertake with your fellow Dive Master trainees. You learn each other's strengths and weaknesses, and you can really help each other and work on things. And it's a great journey from the beginning to the end. You feel like you've changed a lot, and you get really good at diving.